Mazda RX8 fans, turns out not only the Japanese use these things as police cars, but others. City of Miami or something? I can't read that. Italy? Anyways, Choro-Q did a deformed version of the Japanese one here, being a Japanese company. It's got just stamp steel wheels. We're going to swap those out. But the tampo printing here of whatever this police writing is nice. This shield and crest or whatever looks pretty good. It's got a raised Mazda badge, no paint though. A nice crosshatch pattern in the grille though. Fog lights, no paint. This is just smooth here. Smooth silver headlights. The light bar is translucent red. I don't know what that means. Is that an emergency phone number? Anyways, printing back here is nice as well. Printing over here looks good. We can see this tire's cracking, I think, from age. This thing is from 2006 or 8. I think that's 8. It's hard for me to read with my own eyes. But there it is. Standard construction with screw and a tab. Says, oh, this is the speed version, I guess. Indication of exhaust, but no different colors. And then silver for the taillights, which is a little weird, right? Or maybe they're just white. Maybe they're clear lenses on the real car. Alright. I'm going to do a wheel swap here. I printed the original 5 spokes. Not the ones in the photograph, but you'll see. Probably the most popular original wheels that came on these things. Let's see if the tab opens. Oh, nice. Alright, so smoked plastic body. And there's the melt marks for the light up there. Some sort of... What is this gunk, man? Some sort of disease or... Eee. Who knows what happened, how old this thing is. Well, we know how old it is. Who knows how long it's been played with. Alright, so I gotta pull this motor out. Put this tab open. That traps the axle. Save those for the next project. And then I take an old motor from a previous project. And it clipped off the wheels. Put this back on. Hand screwdriver. So I don't strip out the thread. Back it out. Find the thread. Nice and simple. And there you go, the 5 spokes with like the canted blades. It's almost like a propeller. The brakes are part of the wheel. I was too lazy to do separate ones. And we're going to do a lowered police car, I guess, with this poster putty. Alright. Yeah, poster pie is great. Stuff is good stuff for all hobbies. Alright, there we go. The wheels are not mirrored or anything like that. It's the same wheel on all 4 corners. So it looks different, you know, depending on what side of the car it is. Let's look at a few other Mazdas. Alrighty. I have another Mazda police car. This is called a Mazda Primacy. That's the extent of my knowledge. I don't know. I didn't even swap these wheels out because it's not really an exciting car. Here's our Mazda RX-7 safety car. And this has, I think, BNDS plastic wheels on it. I don't think I printed these. I could be mistaken. Alright, RX-8 time. I think this is the Mazda Speed RX-8. It's got a chin spoiler and a rear wing. But sadly, if there was a sticker, it's long gone now. And it doesn't tell me on the bottom what it is. I can't read that text though. It says, I don't know if those are majorette wheels or Hot Wheels wheels, but there's a wheel swap there. And then this one does have Hot Wheels, those mini light kind of things. And this is from the Kodawari series, so it has printing on the windscreen, tax stamps and whatnot. So I think really basically the yellow one and the black one are the same casting. They're all roughly the same size because they all share the same motor. I don't really play with these guys, you know. It's more just funny to look at these things. So here's a Bandai Stormtrooper. I think that's called an executioner. So it's laying down the law, just like this RX-8 is. Very well. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next ChoroQ video.